think I do not understand foreign policy, the issue is you.
You know, I think that this is such a, you know, I think that this is a, this is, of course.
If you think that I don't understand foreign policy because out of hours of discourse about international affairs, I paused.
Yeah, the same international affair over and over and over about Palestine. That's it.
To think about one of the most sensitive geopolitical issues that currently exist on Earth. I'm afraid the issue's not my understanding. The problem is perhaps you've gotten adjusted to a president.
What's that noise?
I tracked down the original Instagram story she posted, and the snoring was not added.
I'm afraid the issue's not my understanding. The problem is perhaps you've gotten adjusted to a president that never thinks before he speaks and doesn't care about the implications of his words before he speaks on matters like these. So ask yourself, why? And I'm gonna tell you, it's because, frankly, there are very few people who are actually willing to challenge the foreign policy establishment.
Somebody's sleeping?
That never thinks before he speaks. If you think that I don't understand foreign policy,
yeah.
I'm afraid the issue's not my understanding.
It's just, bro, people are sleeping on this. It's embarrassing. You're the problem. You're the one who's wrong. Oh my God. This is so fucking ridiculous.
Why?